not fully grown yet. Can't tell the difference because they are both plants. We also got stuff that goes in lettuce and everybody's favorite dish, salad. These are grapes that are not fully grown, but probably in a few years or 2 days they'll be grown. These are pepper plants. As you can see, there's a big pepper right here. These are spicy peppers. Also put them in salad. Like at Olive Garden, they put those in the salad. It's fresh, but I do not like the peppers. And on Nana's farm, she got beetles. These flowers right here are zucchini flowers. Zucchini start out as flowers, and then they grow up to be a zucchini, and then you can chop them up, put them in a stew, put them in anything, basically. These are onions. That's a wild Mustang. She does not like humans. And now we're gonna check if the chickens lay any eggs. Oh, there's eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They might be stinky, but they are also really nice. I don't know. This is what? That's natural and that's green. Here's the chickens. There's one. There's a rooster right in there. Bailey, don't crush the chickens. These are the chickens, and here's a horse again. Hey, hi baby.
Benji, the box is just begun. Benji, Benji, I hope.